In this video, we're going to show how to use free Adobe stock images to enhance your photos. First, open your photos in Photoshop Elements. We'll add our sunset image on top of our kayaker by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate Layer. From here, you can select which document you'd like to duplicate the sunset layer onto. Let's choose our kayaker. Adjust the opacity of the sunset to get a better look at the image underneath. Adjust the size and position of the sunset by using the Move tool. Click on Graphics and choose Adobe Stock at the top of the menu. Let's search for some torn paper. Use the Quick Selection tool to select the center of your torn paper image. Click on Select and choose Inverse. Then add a layer mask by clicking the Add Layer Mask button. Copy your layer mask by dragging it onto the layer below while holding Option on a Mac or Alt on a PC. Invert the mask by clicking Filter, finding Adjustments, and choosing Invert. Yeah, that's nice. Don't forget to save and share.